Thank you, Alexis, and thank you to the organizers for allowing us to showcase PanXchange at this inaugural event. It's very exciting. So let's talk about, sorry, I'm gonna make sure I can use this. There we go. What is the problem that PanXchange is solving? So first of all, any natural resource or its byproduct that ships by truck, by boat, by barge, by rail car, from here to there, it's still traded by phone today. And we're disrupting that with our web-based negotiation and trading tool. Let's look at it another way. Underneath every futures contract are farmers, millers, refiners, and I ask you that with all this technology on the farm, with all this technology in the combine itself, why are we still trading by phone today? It's inefficient, cost inefficient, it's a huge time-consuming effort, and it won't yield the best prices compared with our technology solution. By way of background, as Alexis said, that I am a commodity trader. I started with Cargill in Switzerland on the grains desk, moved over to sugar, then became the head of the Latin American sugar desk. Other stints included Sempra Energy when electricity was getting deregulated. So to be clear, the first thing that we are, first and foremost, we are a market structure solution for the physicals. This is the only system in the market that's built by a trader for the trade, and I can't emphasize enough, the difference in the functionality that yields for our market participants is substantial. Now, once we fill that need, we then become a data provider, real-time and historical. This information is objective. It's where real supply meets demand, no end of day, little lots to jack up the daily settlement price. I know a lot of you know what I'm talking about there. And finally, because no one in commodities really wants to be revolutionized, we built this to scale across many commodities. Very, very quick, there we go. Very, very quick snapshot of how we go where phone brokers and exchanges cannot. First thing, and forgive me, I know it's small, but look at the color-coded, restricted, or available. This is how we address counterparty management system. It keeps your identity protected, and it avoids costly clearing services. And then let's talk about the word exchange. Even the most sophisticated exchanges, it's a fixed quantity, it's a fixed quality of that grain or any commodity, and a fixed delivery period. And most importantly, you've got bids and you've got asks, and it's take it or leave it. We have a real negotiating system. Let's talk about the word commodity. It's a misnomer. We all know that in order to negotiate grains and livestock and so forth, sometimes you have up to a dozen different variables that need to be negotiated. And a quick example of that, look at the available there. Let's say you like everything about that offer, but it's full July shipment. I know you can't read it, but it says July 7th plus 30 days. Well, you're a miller, for example. You can do July, but you need to manage your deal flow a little better. So you click on that because you're trade enabled, and you say first half July or last half July, and maybe you'll add a little bit to the price for first half July if to incentivize your seller a little bit. So super, super quick snapshot of what we mean by the data because it's really powerful. Now this is a global example, but let's just bring it back home a little bit. Let's just say this is wheat at the farm gate. And if you can see at the very top, I don't have the little laser thing, but it says origin. So let's assume that's farm gate wheat. Now because it's US, destination would typically mean US Gulf. All I need to do is go to that drop-down menu where it says origin, flip it to destination, and in a second, you have just derived the synthetic cost of getting your grain down the Mississippi into the Gulf. This is really, really powerful and objective and useful data that's unprecedented. So what's in our pipeline for 2015? It's really an exciting year for us. We are customizing the front end for petroleum in the U.S. for Colorado companies around the country with prices this low. We really hope that we're going to be offering them a lot of efficiencies and profit opportunities. But let's get back to agriculture. We're going live in East Africa this year. Incredibly excited about that. We had a pilot launch that ended at the end of 2014 in maize and wheat. It went very, very well, and not coincidentally, we've been invited to become a Clinton Global Initiative company to see how our platform can help bring efficiencies to these agrarian countries. And after that, who knows? Is there a consortium here in Colorado that's looking for some price discovery and market access? We know that beef cuts trade on a grid online. Could we do the same for live cattle? I almost said live livestock, sorry. There's a lot more information on our website, including endorsements by the major traders. And anyone here who's interested to take a deeper dive and look at our demo, please contact us. We'd be happy to have someone walk you through something more extensive. Thank you very much.